When we won the digital journey of CSEM end of 2019, our objective, our goal was to develop an intelligent spring, a smart spring, which is capable of predicting its own lifespan and anticipating repair demands and maintenance demand in order to prevent costly outages or even safety relevant damages of the spring, as well as communicating wirelessly how well it is operating, how much force is still there, how long does it last. That is how we started together with CSEM, the marriage of a pure mechanical part, which is the spring, with an electronic part, which is the sensor device, the communication device, the intelligent device which calculates all the spring forces. And that's where we're on the road together with CSEM currently. So the question is, why is it useful for the customers? Well, our springs operate in a lot of crucial applications, whether it's satellites, wind generators, trains, locomotives, power generation. Now all these springs are crucial to the application, and if the spring fails or is too weak, then the application has a big problem or even doesn't work. And with our device, we're able to predict the remaining lifetime, and that is very useful for the customer because he now can prevent outages, he can prevent breakdowns of the machine by at an early stage exchanging the spring in case it needs to be.
Today at CSEM we developed a first prototype which embeds a temperature humidity sensor for calibration purposes, an accelerometer to detect some shocks, and as well the strain gauge analog front end. Today we used an FC communication, which is a battery-less system. The system is powered from the energy coming from the reader unit, but in the next step we will move to Bluetooth communication.
We immediately started with a cooperation with CSEM, which went very well. CSEM applied a whole team, and then both partners brought in their knowledge. So we brought in the mechanical know-how and spring calculation. CSEM brought in all their know-how about digitalization, data transfer, miniaturization, sensing protocols, etc. That was very helpful for us, and we didn't have any of these electronic know-how. So it was a very fruitful, very positive cooperation up to now, and we're pretty convinced it will continue like this in the future. So now with CSEM we have finished the evaluation phase, the pre-study phase. Now we are clear how to operate. Now we are just moving to the next phase and making that application really work in prototypes towards then industrialization. So at the end of the next phase we're going to go for the customers. We think this will take another 6 months, 8 months, and we're looking forward to that.